Welcome student in my happy learning classes. In today's class we will again do some quotations. So for today's quotation, first quotation is by Swami Vivekanand. So yesterday we have ended our quotation by Swami Vivekanand and today we will start quotations by Swami Vivekanand. So let's start. First is arise, awake and stop not till the goal is reached. Arise, awake and stop not till the goal is reached. Means आप जब तक जो है आपको अपनी मंजिल या अपना लक्ष्य नहीं मिलता है तो तब तक आप सतर्क रहें, उठे रहें और मेहनत करते रहें. दैट मीन्स राइट. Arise, awake and stop not till the goal is reached. So this quotation is relating to everyone. Okay, whatever target we are having, so we should not stop till the goal is reached. Then next is prosperity is a great teacher, adversity is a greater. Prosperity is a great teacher, adversity is a greater. And this is said by Hazlitt. मीन्स जो संपन्नता है वो एक बहुत बड़ा शिक्षक है, यानी हमें बहुत सारी ज्ञान देता है या हमें बहुत सारी सीख देता है. बट एडवर्सिटी इज अ ग्रेटर. लेकिन अगर हमारी परिस्थितियां हमारे अनुकूल नहीं होती हैं, वो हमारे विपरीत होती हैं और अगर हम उस समय कुछ सीखना चाहें तो उससे ज्यादा हम सीख सकते हैं. ओके, प्रॉस्पेरिटी इज अ ग्रेट टीचर, एडवर्सिटी is a greater. So it is by Hazlitt. Next is next to acquiring good friends. See here, the best acquisition is that of good friends. Right? Good books, sorry. So once again listen to this. Next to acquiring good friends, the best acquisition is that of good books. Right? So here see, best thing is to have good friends, but after this यानी हमें सबसे अच्छा जो होता है कि अगर हमारे अच्छे मित्र हों तो ये सबसे अच्छी बात है, सबसे अच्छी चीज है अच्छे मित्र रखना या होना. और उसके बाद जो सबसे अच्छी चीज है कि हम अपने पास बहुत अच्छी बुक्स भी रखें. तो अच्छे दोस्तों के बाद जो सबसे अच्छी चीज है जो हमारी होनी चाहिए वो है गुड बुक्स. सो इट इज रिटन बाय कोल्टन. सो वंस अगेन, नेक्स्ट टू एक्वायरिंग गुड फ्रेंड्स द बेस्ट एक्विजिशन इज दैट ऑफ गुड बुक्स. राइट? सो दिस इज वेरी गुड quotation by Colton. Next is do or die. This is very famous quotation by Mahatma Gandhi. So do or die means karo ya maro. And he said this at the time of freedom struggle. So do or die. But it is also relating in our life. See, we should do or die. That don't literally means or die. In this sense, like we have to be hardworking continuously and we have to keep our soul awake so that we can do more and more good things. So do or die, that means. Then next quotation is written by, or it said by, Bhagat Singh. Bhagat Singh said, life is lived on its own. Others' shoulders are used only at the time of funeral. So Bhagat Singh said that life is loved on its own, and this he said during freedom struggle also. This one, life is lived on its own, others' shoulders are used only at the time of funeral. That means कि हमें जो है अपनी जिंदगी अपने खुद जीनी चाहिए, अपने दम पर जीनी चाहिए. अगर हम किसी दूसरों के कंधों पे जो है अपने जीवन का निर्वाह कर रहे हैं, किसी पर डिपेंड है, इसका मतलब हम ऐसे भी ले सकते हैं. तो कंधों पे तो व्यक्ति तब जाता है जब उसकी अंतिम यात्रा होती है या उसका मतलब जीवन समाप्त हो जाता है. दैट मीन्स, सो वी कैन रिलेट इट बाय दिस दैट वी शुड ऑलवेज keep our hope, keep our that one target positively. We should think positively, and we should not be lazy. We should not be idle. Life is lived on its own. So see, whatever we are possessing, what we are having, we should proud of it, that you have earned yourself, you have hard worked yourself. Whatever you have gained, it is because of your hard work, your industries. If you are industrious, so you can aim anything. So here life is lived on its own. Others' shoulders are used only at the time of the funeral. So said by Bhagat Singh. So keep the name who said these words and who said these statements, quotations, so that every time, whenever you have asked that who said this, so every quotation is important. Like this one, first one is the most important. Arise, awake and stop not till the goal is reached. So many times it is asked in examination. Keep that in mind and have a good day, and use these quotations in your paragraph writing to improve your writing skill. So have a good day and happy learning, and please like, share, subscribe this channel so that you can have more and more videos, and we can be together and spread knowledge in our society. So see you next class.